All right, everyone, welcome. If you're ready to become a Go developer, then you're in the right spot. Today, we're going to tackle that essential first quest, getting Go installed and ready to rock, and we're doing it the official way.
So you're ready to start building amazing things with Go, right? Well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to get your entire environment set up, and you know what? It's going to take just a few minutes. Seriously.
Okay, let's dive right in. Now, before you even think about downloading anything, there is one super important first step we got to cover. Trust me on this. Getting this one part right prevents pretty much all of the common headaches people run into.
And here it is, the big secret. A clean slate is absolutely key. If you have any, and I mean any, old versions of Go just kind of hanging around on your system, they have got to go. You got to remove them completely. This is all about avoiding those weird, frustrating conflicts later on.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This comes straight from the official Go docs, and they put it in bold for a reason. Quote, "Do not untar the archive into an existing USR/local/Go tree." The message couldn't be clearer, right? Starting fresh is the only way to guarantee this is going to work.
All right, with that critical warning out of the way, we are ready to move on. This is where you get to choose your own adventure, because the next steps depend entirely on your operating system.
So whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, just find the instructions for your system and let's get this thing installed.
Okay, first up, Linux users. Step 1 is that clean slate step we just talked about. Just be careful typing that command. Step 2 is easy. You're just extracting the files. Now, step 3 is where the magic happens. You have to add Go to your system's path. What's the path? Well, you can think of it like a list of addresses that tells your terminal where to look for programs. And finally, step 4, just make sure that change sticks around every time you open a new terminal.
All right, macOS users, you're going to love this because it's even simpler. You just open that package file you downloaded, click through the installer, and that's pretty much it. The wizard does all the heavy lifting. It puts Go in the right folder, and it updates that path variable for you. The only thing you got to remember, restart any open terminal windows when you're done. That's it.
And for all you Windows users, it's a very similar story. You just open up that MSI file you downloaded and follow the prompts. The installer is smart. It puts Go right where it belongs in your program files and takes care of all those tricky environment variables for you. And just like on macOS, the final crucial step is to close and reopen any command prompt windows you have running. That lets it load up the new settings.
Okay, you followed the steps for your system. Now comes the best part. The moment of truth. Let's confirm that everything worked and see all that hard work, all 2 minutes of it, pay off.
And here's something I really love about Go. It doesn't matter if you're on Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. For this final check, we're all on the same page. The command is exactly the same for everybody. It's the universal proof that you nailed it.
So go ahead, open up a brand new terminal or command prompt window, and just type this in: Go space version. That's all there is to it.
Now, if you see something like Go version, followed by a version number and your operating system, then congratulations, you did it. You officially have a working Go installation and you are ready for action.
So, where do we go from here? I mean, the installation was really just the first step on the path. Your real journey as a Go developer, well, it starts right now.
The official documentation puts it perfectly, so I'll just say it too. You're all set. Seriously, you have the tools, you have the power, you are ready to start building.
So what's your next stop? I highly recommend you head straight to the official Getting Started tutorial on the Go website. It's the perfect way to get your hands dirty and write your very first lines of Go. And the best part? It only takes about 10 minutes. It's a great way to keep this momentum going.
And that just leaves us with one final and honestly really exciting question. With a fresh installation and a great tutorial just waiting for you, your first Go project is right around the corner. So, what are you going to build?